So I think one of the coolest things that I got out of the trip to China was just seeing how their agricultural practices are different from ours and the way that they're tackling the same issues that we are, but in a different way. Because they're facing a lot of the same issues that we are with drought and climate change.
To me, the most interesting and rewarding part of our trip to China was meeting other people a lot like us who are interested in the same things we are, the same scientific questions we are, and they're trying to solve the same problems that we are. Maybe with different approaches or different backgrounds to approach that problem. But we work in agriculture and plant biology, and no matter where you are, where you're from, you're interested in feeding the planet. You're concerned about climate change, and you're trying to come up with solutions to these problems. So
it's a great way to humanize the global issue, where I now have friends and people overseas that are probably dealing with the same problems that are occurring here in Missouri. And so it's really helpful for my research when I think about drought and how it affects Missourians. It's also affecting people over in China. So by going on that trip, I kind of was able to put a face to the problem, and I think that'll definitely be helping me with my research in the future.